Hey man, you know where you watch.
Dancehall!
Wow, my people. Dancehall Skilla there again with some more things to talk to you about. And I have videos that I'm going to present to you. Big up and respect to each and everyone. I hope that everyone alright. Alright, now first things first. I am going to present a video to you that had been recorded within the country that is known as Jamaica. I don't have any confirmed information as to when the video had been recorded. The video that I'm about to present to you shows some things that happened when a person had been arrested or detained by the police within the country that is known as Jamaica. Now, during the arrest, a police officer hit a female. You can also hear persons talking in the background of the video that I'm about to present to you. I don't have any confirmed information as to why the person had been arrested or detained by the police within the country that is known as Jamaica. The video also shows when police checked inside of a motor vehicle. And one of the reasons why I am presenting this video to you is because the video is being talked about on social media. Based on some things that you're about to see and hear in this video, I would like you to tell me who you think was wrong. You can also tell me what you think overall about the video, viewers and subscribers. And before I present this video to you, I want you to please bear in mind that the video shows police officers and civilians, and the video shows a situation where a female had been hit by a police officer. So before I present this video to you, this is a warning that some of the scenes in this video might not be suitable for everyone. Viewer discretion is advised. Here's the video. Look, listen, observe, and tell me what you think. Observe.
You know, record. They're watching me head them to blood.
Camera kind of shake, you know? Shaky. Yeah. And if you listen carefully, you can hear those persons who seems to be some from a distance from the camera. Just listen carefully.
Man, I eat that too. I eat that too.
Hey, what you do that for? What you do that for? A slackness that. A slackness that, bro. A slackness that, man. Slackness that. Big old slackness. Big old slackness that, brother. A big old slackness that, man. Big old slackness that, man. That don't make no sense, officer.
Woman.
Officer, that don't make no sense, officer.
Yo, I eat that thing that can people.
It's a female that, no, my people. It's a female that. Janu. May I tell you the truth, my people, I wish that the whole situation would have turned out in a more peaceful way. You see me? But I don't know exactly what the whole situation was about. I don't know what the person had been arrested or detained for. And I certainly wish that the police officer did not hit the female. May I tell you the truth? You see me? I wish that the whole thing could have been a more better and peaceful way. But the video is being talked about on social media. My people, you let me know what you think, alright? I'm going to move on to another topic. See? Now, I am going to present a video to you that has been recorded within the country that is known as Jamaica. I do not know when the video has been recorded. The video that I am about to present to you shows some things that happened when citizens from within the country of Jamaica staged a protest. Now, according to information that I got, it is said that citizens from within the country of Jamaica blocked a section of the road that is located within the parish of St. Mary, that's within the country of Jamaica. And I also got information that citizens who was at that protest protested about a bad road condition within the parish. Now, if you look and listen to the video carefully, viewers and subscribers, you might get an understanding as to how the road was blocked. You see what I'm saying to you? And I also got information that a certain amount of persons who was at that protest asked for a certain politician. You see what I'm saying to viewers and subscribers? The protest caused the traffic to pile up, viewers and subscribers, and one of the reasons why I am presenting this video to you is because the video is being talked about on social media. I would like you, my viewers and subscribers, to also tell me what to think about some of the things that you're about to see and hear in this video. Now, before I present this video to you, I want you to please bear in mind that the video shows quite a number of persons gathered together. You can also hear persons yelling and shouting, and in the video you can also hear harsh language. See? Yeah, the video also shows a certain amount of persons talking to a female as well, to viewers and subscribers. And you can also see other things as well in the video. So before I present this video to you, this is a warning that some of the scenes in this video might not be suitable for everyone. Viewer discretion is advised. Observe and tell me what you think. Traffic pile up. Traffic pile up, pile up, pile up, pile up, pile up, pile up.
Everybody. You should have forward. No. Right here's our one, man. We talk with the people.
Traffic pile up. Pile up, pile up, pile up. What about the road this way? Like something just, like something dig out the part of the road, the way road look.
They must have stand up.
That's no really makes sense. We understand everything we are saying. And we get premises all the way from Mr. Mac. The road I go pick up. The whole as Western St. Mary no good again. We make Western St. Mary come on the map and do the dog.
We're not
But listen, good still, people.
Nobody knows.
What's it came? I say when I'm talking about the weather here, Bobby man to do another contractor man. Because they don't do no good and what I cover wood back. The one of them cover wood back. If you do better, I have to come from and we are buried, I have to be buried. Set me here. Set me where I come from. Sorry miss. I said where we come from is real talk, man. I feel it. Man, I'm downgrade the whole of the place for you.
And I live big with tax money.
Yeah.
Well, Bobby, no movements. What am I saying, people? Alright, first of all, I want to big up and respect to each and everyone from St. Mary. Big up my St. Mary people, you know? Yeah, I still Jamaica, you know. So big up to my Jamaica people, you know. See? Yeah, but overall, still do my people. In my point of view, it's sad to see people protest in order for their voice to be heard when it comes on to bad road condition and other things within their country or within the community. So I say my people, you know, but you know, I can only tell a person say don't do certain things, but I cannot make someone not do something or do something. You see me I say, yeah, each and every one of them own free will and your own choice. You see me I say, but overall, what I'm going to say is that if we're going to do certain things, just do it in a peaceful way. No matter what, do it in a peaceful way. See? Because I got unconfirmed information about the protest viewers and subscribers. See? Yeah, I got unconfirmed information that there was some form of altercation between police and civilians during that protest. I don't know how true that be. So me answer my people. Yeah, I see quite a number of pieces of videos on social media as well. You see me? But sometimes, you know, you have some videos where we post out there from way back when, and when something happen, you have some persons who will grab those videos and make it seem as if that video just happened and it just recorded. No. I'm not run them joke there. So that's why I'm rather say unconfirmed information with people. As some mistake, me I get information accurate. At least a year, me say something, say, but me not go tell you say, oh, it happened, and I'm not sure. No, that's not me. Alright, so big up and respect to each and everyone. Let me know what to think about these videos that I presented to you in this video. Until next time, my name is Dancehall Skilla. Big up yourself, you see.
Hey, my youth, you know where you watch? Dancehall Skilla! Yeah, man. Hey, yo, Skilla!